How's it going, everyone? This is Farrell here, and today we are back with Skyrim. So, where we left off was that Ace had returned to the realm of Tamriel through one of the Lorcan crystals to just go there. That's his quest. So, we're in the middle of Riften, if I remember correctly. Well, not Riften, like the city, but the Riften Hold, with our good friend Farin, something. And today, I guess we're just gonna look for civilization. So, I'm gonna go down to that tower down there. Praying it's not a bandit outpost because well, there's a windmill down there. What is this place? I'm not gonna check the map because that'll spoil it and it wouldn't be any fun. But Rift Watchtower discovered. Oh, okay. So maybe there might be guards in here.
Now ain't this a surprise?
Okay, well it is a surprise. That's a surprise. Okay. Well, you know what? Oh my god. This axe. Whoa.
You puny weakling.
Okay, well then. The Code of Malakath. Let's read this. Actually, I think this is... yeah, this is the whole book. So, I'll read this some other time. Maybe when I go to house, just dedicate an episode to just laying back.
No one best. You can't
Just
hide.
laying back
Can't
and
hide
reading
from
some
me.
books. Now that sounds fun. Oh, there are. Ooh, this guy's more health though. Oh, and more damage, and more damage, and more damage, and I have no stamina. Okay. Okay. Bro. You know what? That's his problem.
No one best an orc.
Where is he? Oh god. Okay. So mid-battle would be a good time to start choosing equipment. This target takes 20 points of frost damage to health and stamina. I'm source 20. Swiggity swoop. Don't mind if I do. It's a good axe. I thought it was just gonna be like just frost. Oh god. Is he not allowed down here or something? Okay, he doesn't heal.
Oh well. Must have run
Okay. Well, that's one attempt done. Oh, goody. Back to where it began. Please tell me my favorites at least saved? No, they do. Okay. Then let's... F. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Nice.
You've already lost.
This might be too overpowered, honestly. But you know what? It didn't make me win against that bandit up there, so you know. I think it's again. I think this as I said last time. I think this overpowered artifact, combined with the fact that I'm butt currently, should balance the game more than any mod ever could. Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Please, is he following me this time? No, he's staying up there. Okay, so I could just... Come on, Farin, don't be racist. These might be bandit... You mother... These might be bandits, but don't be racist, you know? Oh my god, my guy's... I hit his leg there, I did not hit him. You're the one running away! Oh god. Yeah, you're no better than... Quit doing that! What? Yeah.
You puny weakling.
That was the wrong button there.
Give up while you still can.
I blocked it!
Well,
Did you just
must
cut
have
through
run
my
off.
axe?
What now?
He just cut through my axe. And I forgot to save. God, you know, sometimes life just isn't friendly. I'm a hard save for this.
I yield. I yield. It's a bad time to get lost, friend. Just a scratch.
Okay. Sorry for being focused and not talking much. I'm just trying to kill these guys. Yeah. Yeah. Why does he have so much health? He's just a default bandit. Oh, we got him now. Yeah. And I'm taking your whole table out too. What's in here? Alright. More stuff. Okay. So we're off to our quest is to find civilization. And it should be that way. Alright, after spending like how long? Like 6 minutes, I think? No, 7 minutes actually. 7 minutes on a single tower of 3 bandits. We're able to move onward. But you know what? That's okay. Okay, I don't know what that sound is. Hey, there you are. I was wondering where you went. I was kind of nervous. Not gonna lie. I've only known you for about an episode now, and if you died, I'd be very upset. Because he's my guy. He's my guy from Lorcon, you know? Like, he's my connection. And if I lost him, maybe I lose my connection to my origin, you know? I can't go back to that crystal. It's like the middle drop dead nowhere. There's no way of telling. Okay, where is this place?
No lollygagging. The Imperials think us all lawless beasts. I'm proof of their ignorance.
What do you think of that, Mr. Imperial Armour? Yeah. Shut up,
I'm
bro.
right behind you.
I wish I could head to one of the capital cities. Maybe even back to Mournhold. Anywhere but here.
Yeah, come on. Oh, no,
I'm a bit busy at the moment. What did you want?
wrap piece, finally.
We could always use help picking crops if you need a few extra coins.
There's a lot of Nernroot around here.
Actually, I'm growing it if you hadn't noticed.
Oh.
I'm the only person alive that can cultivate Nernroot from a seed to a fully grown plant.
How'd you accomplish that?
I had quite the mentor. He taught me everything he knew about the Nernroot and its strange properties. I haven't seen him in many years. I wonder what became of him.
Are you an
I
alchemist?
used to be. There isn't much time for that in my life anymore, I'm afraid. I actually owned a shop in Vivek City long ago.
I don't know what Vivek City is.
But I had to leave all that behind when the Red Mountain erupted. Perhaps someday I'll reopen a shop here in Skyrim.
Someday.
Is it
Seem
that
quite
obvious?
Exhausted.
I've got my hands full here. Between the farm chores, cultivating my supply of Nernroot, and keeping a tight rein on my sister Adori, there's little time for rest. Really?
Oh, wait, I could help
That
you
would
if you
be a
like.
pleasant
Oh,
change. One
our
of the
first, like, real
ingredients I need
quest.
to cultivate Nernroot are Jazbay grapes. The acidic content of the juice is perfect for the soil. I need 20 of them for my current crop.
Oh.
Good luck finding those Jazbay grapes. They're very rare.
Okay, so of course it's one of those quests that don't really add up to much. Well, they add up to, you know, some because it means something to the people I'm doing it for, but it's like, oh, just find 20 of this. No.
Lucky for you, that was just sitting there for the taking.
I'm right behind you.
What? What was in there for? I'm doing your labor for you. What? Like, yeah, I'm stealing your nerd room, but I'm gonna, you know, make an honest living out of everything else. Oh,
The fields are going to do fine. You don't have to dote over them so much.
Boring. That food is paying for everything. If we lose even a single crop, we could starve or be forced to beg. I won't have it.
All right, I understand. I'll do it tomorrow, okay? Just get off my back.
We could always use help picking crops if you need a few extra coins.
ooh, another dialogue option.
Honest pay for honest work. Honest pay for honest work.
Not bad.
Aduri
sister
is
calls
what
you a lot
some
of
would call a free spirit. She likes to wander the fall forest for hours on end.
Yeah.
If we were still living at my alchemy shop in Vivek City,
Still don't know
it
what
wouldn't
Vivek
be
City
so
is.
bad. She could wander the canals all day. But around here, there's a tremendous amount of work to get done. Not to mention the dangers she's not ready to face. Good luck finding
Could I
those
ch-
Jazbay grapes. They're very rare.
Thanks for the encouragement.
I wish I could head to one of the capital cities.
Okay, so there's no
Maybe even
dialogue.
back to Mournhold. Anywhere but
Okay,
here.
so in essence, she's just trapped here. Alright, you know what? That's okay. Okay, so from here, I think that watchtower in the distance is the is like an actual Rift one that could lead to Riften. I think. If it's another bandit camp, I'm gonna be mad. You know what? Just in case, I'm saving. And in case you're wondering what all those Redwater Den saves are about, those are for mod testing to make sure that new mods I installed, as I'm sure you noticed the capes and all that, make sure they weren't broken. And it took me to Redwater Den. You good?
Are they gone? Please help. I can pay you.
Oh, tell Rav. What's your name?
Bandits
Oh,
attacked
are you
and
okay?
ransacked my cart. Can you help me?
Absolutely.
My camp is nearby in the ruins of Nilheim. Get me there safely, and you'll be rewarded.
Bet.
Still here.
Oh, you're up and at 'em.
It's just across the bridge and up that hill.
No worries for me.
We're close now. I can see the camp.
Yeah, I can too.
Wait here. I'll be right back with your reward.
Got it.
What was that?
You
Now,
picked a
ain't
bad
this
time to get lost, friend.
Hey, what? Oh, nah. So there was another bandit camp.
That it? Got your bet?
Stand up while you can.
Tell Rav, you coward. You're up here just in your leisure clothes, bro.
You ready to die today, huh?
Still another one of his goons in there. But let's level up for this goon. Good health? No? About to do more damage to take out this one guy. Absolutely legendary. Let's do this. Okay.
Think you can take me?
It's 2 against 1, dog. Come on, don't pride yourself. Where are you? Oh.
Sovngarde awaits.
You know, we make a very good team, Farin. Yeah, I think Farin. Because Farin, I think, is like... like it would specify it was Farin, you know? Yeah, I think, and also Farin just sounds cooler. So yeah, I'm going with Farin. Farin Alteris. Sounds alright with me. Let me know if you prefer Farin or Farin, and if it will drive you crazy which one I'll refer to him as in the future. Just let me know that in the comments. What button do I leave with this? Okay. God, I really gotta step up with my basic comprehension skills because... woof, you know? You're looted. Where did the rest of the base go? Oh, down there, okay. You're looted. You're looted. You're looted. You're looted. Ooh. Over cucumbered. Where is... Okay, right there.
I'm right behind you. What do you want me to carry?
Farin. Listen, you're traveling with me now. And an unfortunate consequence of traveling with me is carrying my
Lead on.
burdens. My sincerest apologies. But it must be done. They killed this rabbit, didn't they? 'Cause I remember seeing that a rabbit just hopping around, living its best. Did they just slaughter that rabbit? For no reason? These monsters. Yeah, that's why I'm taking everything they own. Because they're monsters. It's not because I have a hoarding problem. It's because they're monsters. They don't deserve this stuff. Even... Yeah, they're dead. Still don't deserve this stuff, obviously, you know? Alright. I think... Yeah, I think I got everything. Alright. So where are we? Because I thought this was a completely different place. Wait, are we by Iverstead? We just might be by Iverstead. Yeah, that's Iverstead over there. I mean... Sure. Do I have a pickaxe? No. Of course I don't. Got 1,000 iron battle axes, but nope, no pickaxe. Infuriating. Broken bass. Wait, what? Oh! Yeah, this came with the fishing update, 'cause I'm playing on Anniversary Edition. And... that brook bass... that came with the fishing update. Do you think they're... Oh! Can I go fishing here? That wasn't an ominous sound at all. Okay. You know what I'm feeling this playthrough, you know? We're going to Iverstead. Let's get some quests done. Are there any other companions we can pick up here for my little army right now? I mean, my army's just one guy, but a man can dream, a man can dream. Klimek. Blah, blah, blah. Where are you?
Need something? Yes?
I mean, yeah, kind of. Villamere Inn. Let's see what's in here.
Is it absolutely necessary for you to bother me right now? What do you want?
You. What about that? I want you. How's the fishing on
Are you
Lake Erie?
joking? I've been out there every morning. They just aren't biting. It's like trying to draw blood from a stone.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What a boring subject. You don't look like a pilgrim.
I'm sorry.
Why bother visiting Iverstead?
I'm sorry.
What a boring town.
I'm sorry. What about High Rothgar?
Klimek brings food supplies up to them once every few weeks, when the weather permits it. Other than that, they seem like a quiet lot. Don't really know too much about them.
Bassianus Access. That's a cool name.
What a boring conversation.
Shamir,
Pardon me,
Buttface,
my lord.
Wilhelm.
Would you care
Welcome,
to hear
friend.
me play my lute?
Welcome to
See-
the Villamere Inn.
See,
Need a room? Maybe a
Baxius,
drink?
whatever his name was.
If there's anything
Now
I
this,
can get you, you just let me know.
this is an attitude I can get
So-
behind.
You're headed up to High Hrothgar, aren't you?
No, I
Of
might stay here
course.
for a bit.
Like I said, let me know if you need anything. Or take a seat by the fire and I'll send someone over.
Awesome.
Oh, while you're here, if I were you, I'd keep away from the barrow on the east side of town. It's haunted.
No. Let's see. Ooh, a lot of options. I'm working for work.
Here, take a look at this. Some of the Jarl's men came by and left this bounty letter.
At Bethalft? By Hrothgar.
The Greybeards are a solitary lot. I don't think they've ever ventured outside their monastery. We get the occasional pilgrim passing through here on their way to the summit, but almost all of them have returned disappointed.
Tell me more about the barrow.
There ain't much more to tell. They're haunted, and you should stay away.
Suspicious.
I've seen one of the spirits with my very own eyes. When it glared at me, I swear it burned right through my soul.
The spirits haunt your town as well?
Fortunately, they seem to be sticking to the barrow. I think they're guarding it.
I can change that.
Certainly isn't helping my business any. Who'd want to rent a room anywhere near a haunted barrow?
I would. I can investigate
If you
it for you.
think there's
What was that
anything you
sound?
can do, be my guest.
Did you guys hear that sound too? I don't know if it was just... You know what? I'm not gonna... Has anyone ever
About
explored
a
the
year
barrow?
or two ago, some fella named Wintelius came through. Said he was some kind of a treasure hunter. I warned him not to go in there, just like I warned you. The very next night, we heard screams from the barrow, and that was it. We never saw him again.
Okay, I'm gonna go
If you're
investigate
headed
that
up to the
sound. What
monastery,
is that?
watch your step. It's a long way down.
What is playing that? What is...
We don't get many visitors through here, unless they're headed up to High Hrothgar, of course.
Is it every time I click? No. Just gonna leave it alone.
Need a room? Maybe a drink? I heard tell of a lad in Windhelm, Aventus Aretino. They say he's been doing the Black Sacrament, trying to contact the Dark Brotherhood. Damn fool.
Interesting.
Have you seen that shrine of Asura? They say the Dark Elves built it, after they fled from Morrowind. Sight to see.
Cool. Cool beans. How's the meat?
There's nothing. At least
my bad.
when we can
That's
get
on me, my bad, I
shipments
didn't mean
with
to
the
put that.
war going on.
The war...
The best mead comes from Riften, you know.
Yeah, it's cool. Have any shipments?
Well, no. Ever had a taste of sweet hunting brew?
Sure, I'll have some.
All right, here you go.
Any bounty work I can
Of
help with?
course. It's all in this note.
All in this note. This is an anniversary edition quest, and I can already feel it. Alright. Any rumors?
People say there's someone
Okay.
in Riften that
I've heard that
can
1,000 times.
change your face. Make you look completely different. Do you believe that?
Right, do you know where I can find some work?
Of course.
Ooh.
It's all in this note.
I've got your back.
Let me know if I can get you anything. Of course.
Is there more? Just...
It's all in this note.
I've got your back.
Oh yeah, you take your drink, man.
Need a room? Maybe
Okay.
a drink? You name it.
I think I've gotten every little quest that I can get from this tree. Okay, where can I learn more about magic?
I've got no interest in magic users. No use for their kind at all. They're way up north in Winterhold, and that's fine with me. I don't even like our Jarl having a court wizard.
Okay. Wizard racism, got it. Well, classism. Yeah, classism, that's the word. What do you think about the war?
This civil war's taken a toll on Skyrim, from what I've heard. At least it hasn't gotten here. Yet. Sadly, I don't like either Ulfric or Elisif much.
Based.
But this
Absolutely.
is a peaceful village. We're disconnected from all of the politics, and I'm happy to keep it that way. Don't worry. It doesn't matter who you support in the war. Everyone's welcome here.
You know? Except maybe mages, but you know, my classism,
If you're headed up to the monastery, watch your
he's a
step.
pretty decent guy.
It's a long
Pardon me, my lord. Would you
Have
care
you
to hear me
spoken
play
to
my
Fast
lute?
Can you
yet?
believe it?
These damn
No,
bears are
I'll
driving
tell
me
you later.
crazy.
If
Oh,
I
I'm
could sweep
sorry.
her away from here tomorrow, I'd do it.
Air
Are
problem?
you kidding?
Clinic still
Those
has
damn
so
things will
much
drive me
to
right
do.
out of business.
Klimek
Tell
is
you what,
doing just
bring me
fine.
10 of their pelts from anywhere in Skyrim. I'll gladly pay you for thinning out the
But not
herd.
today.
Alright.
Now go give
Oh,
those
that's a
stupid
lot of-
bears what's coming to them.
Jeez.
You don't look like a pilgrim.
Alright.
Why bother visiting Iverstead?
Let's check this out. Okay. So, the berries, bandit leader, Shroudhearth Burrow. Shroudhearth Burrow. Yes. And then these 5 right here kind of just get done on their own. Like, I'll just play the game and I'll get more bear pelts, and these ones are just start the Dark Brotherhood, do the Stager quest, do this thing, start the Winterhold stuff. So, focus on these 2. Begin my adventure. I don't know how to begin my adventure. The mod description for the Larkin realm said that I have to talk to the Jarl of Whiterun. I'm not gonna go haul my ass all the way to Whiterun just to start the main quest, but that's still something to keep in mind. And then these 3, we got a lot of quests on our hands. We're getting. Let's read these notes. This bounty, by order of Layla Lawgiver, to all able-bodied men and women of the Rift. The bandits located in Bithalath have been harassing, robbing, and attacking citizens and visitors. A reward will be offered to anyone who kills their leader. On Nariel. Intriguing. I don't think that's one of the notes. I think that's just for my regular bounty. Bounty for Crow's Tooth. Crow's Tooth? Crow's Tooth. Rumor has it that the Forsworn raiding parties have been pushing further and further east along the Jural Mountains. The arrival of Legate Fassindil, that is a fascinating name, has prevented further incursions, but they failed to apprehend their leader, Crow's Tooth. While Crow's Tooth has separated from her forces, she is believed to have fled with considerable spoils. In an effort to put an end to this threat, anyone killing Crow's Tooth may claim her stolen loot. Hey. Hey! Don't mind if I swiggity swoop. Mercenaries like Infamous Sellsword Bjormund Windstrider had been heading into the mountains beyond Darklight Tower. While they could be after the treasure, it's feared Crowtooth is gathering the forces for a renewed assault. We ask any capable warriors in their aid with dealing with this potential threat. Inariel. Okay. That's one. Missing merchant. To all able men and women of Skyrim, a merchant by the name of Gunther Frostfoot has gone missing. He was last seen in the area near traders' posts. Any assistance in this matter would be appreciated. Jorleaf. And then welcome note? No, that's for Larkon. Okay, did I read all 3? No. Letter from Shogar's Gra Butul. But to all capable warriors, a group of bandits have stolen something of great battle to my family's kingdom. The headman's cleaver and has fled to Skyrim like cowards. We believe they're remnant members of the Green Cap bandits who have been a thorn in the queen's side from the day she was born. Our sources tell us they're holed up in the Lost Knife hideout, and as the queen's strongest knight, I have been tasked with retrieving it. However, if you don't survive... Okay, so you're the queen's strongest knight, but you're going to get some random dude to do it. You know what? Whatever. However, if I don't survive, I ask you that you eliminate these bandits in her name. The queen will gladly bestow the cleaver to the one who vanquishes her oldest enemy. Oh, Shogar's died. Getting it. Now I feel bad. Alright. I read the notes. Alright.
I've got your back.
Now look at this.
What do you want?
Open up our map. We're in Iverstead. Look at all of these possibilities to go. We could go over here and get the crow's tooth stuff done, or we could get the bounty done, or we could kill the bandits, or we can investigate Trader's Post, or even yet we can investigate Shroudhearth Barrow and save this town from these. I didn't mean to put that. From these devious goals. Goals as in like the ghost, not goals as in like.
Stay out of trouble, listen.
Goals, queen. I hate saying that. Anyway, that is for next time, because we're reaching about half an hour of this episode. So, until then, I'll catch you later. Subscribe to become part of the Cabbage Squad. Not the Cabbage Squad, the Cabbage Patch. Sorry, still getting the hang of everything. Subscribe to join the Cabbage Patch, and I'll catch you all later. See ya.